SkyWorlds, we specialize in the studies of birds.
However, today we are not here to study birds.
No.
Today we're here to hold audition for the upcoming Songbook Festival.
How very exciting! Say, how many people love to be here? Now make the mind to love this songbook! Woohoo!
That's great, everyone. Now to help us out, we would like to introduce two of our very special Songbook friends.
Oh, you are going to love that. They're really hard and fun. It's a bear and love. Do you know who they are?
That's right, it's Blue and Jewel. Now we want all of you to clap your hands twice and shout Blue and Jewel. Are you all ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. Blue and Jewel. 3. Go! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, big and savage, shake your tail feathers and make some noise for Blue and Jewel.
Friends, do you see them all through?
I do. Hello, everyone.
We're glad you could make it to help with the audition.
We do. You've been planning something special. Are you ready?
Or what? Oh, wow. Okay. Confidence. Crazy love talk.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing? I wasn't talking about kissing. I was talking about the song we've been rehearsing for the festival.
Oh, yeah. Our song. That's how I'm showing that thing that I just did. It was in a dance move. Oh. Get it?
Party 3.
This is a crazy party. I'm so glad I'm doing everybody. You move your body, take it to the ground. Break it down, Blue. What's a song if you can't hear it too? Can't imagine dancing without you. A shooting star ain't really nothing to see.
If you're not ready, dancing next to me. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up every morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know me. I put that in the party if you're not around. Listen to me now. What good is it? Let us hear you!
Man, that definitely felt right. We threw down.
You are like fire and ice.
Thunder and lightning, hip and hop, cheese and sprinkles.
What?
It's an American thing.
Oh,
Come on, my handsome lover. Practice makes perfect. Hi, Joel. Hi, Drew. Do you want a few?
oh, Nico. Hey, Drew. We're happy boys to be here both ways.
Yeah.
Godly, but musician early. We are ready to party. To samba, so they say.
Wow, don't you think that's quiet? Because that is usually audition.
They certainly look very talented, don't they? Never just bird by the feet. The only way to tell is to dance it out. We We are looking for a singer, a dancer, the whole package. Let's get moving. First, we need something that can make them wiggle, something that'll make them jiggle, and finally, something that really pops.
I know just to dance. I can teach them.
All right, time to get our groove on.
Now, to make this sound fantastic, we need everyone to participate in this next dance. Who would like to join us? Fantastic job!
Well, is this a celebration you're having without me? I'll be grouping on this little party promptly. Step aside. I heard an audition is taking place.
Hi, Nigel. No, yes. The invitation must have gotten lost in the mail. But now that you are here, show us what you got. Yeah, stop that yapping and get to flapping.
Time for a professional to show you how it's done. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I kept thinking that I could never live. I could barely fly. And I spent, so many nights thinking how he did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. Go on now. Walk out the door. Don't turn around now. It is I who have the floor. Was you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? I will survive as long as I know how to hate. I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live,
And he's got all his love to give.
and I will survive.
You will survive.
I will survive.
He will
I'm a
survive.
survivor. I got the eye of the tiger, the turn the game, and eating my fiber. You were staying alive, but I was staying alive. Watch for your sip when I spit my saliva. I'm like, boom. You never seen a thugger too. Rocking and shocking and dropping and popping and locking too. Watch what I can do without no auto-tune.
Oh no, he did it.
If you try to keep me down, I'll just come back strong. If you try to cut me short, I'll just come back long. If you beat me at ping pong, I'll just play ping pong. Give me my gun, I am ready to thrive. One thing I know, I will survive. Yes, thank you, thank you. My performance was so striking, so suave, and so delicious. Now, why did I not get an invitation to your little soiree? An oversight, I presume. Oh, what's the matter? Swallow a feather.
Hi, Joe. No one here was trying to be loud. Everyone here loves you. You're a star.
Let's hear it for Nigel!
Wow, what was that awful singing? It sounded like a cockatoo being squashed by an elephant.
No, honey. You meant to say we found just the talent we were looking for, right?
Oh, yes, Blue. Just the star we were looking for.
Exactly. In fact, fact, we were just about to show Nigel the dance we learned earlier. Is everybody ready?
Hold your maracas. How do I fit into this little routine?
We hear you're flying from rock clear, so maybe you're gonna help us
To
out?
help or not to help? That question. I do have the best rhythm in the jungle. Really, you couldn't do it without me.
My thoughts exactly. Ready, Nigel?
Born ready. Lights.
Camera. Action. Come on, get up. Yeah. What's up? Don't bite it. What's up? Don't bite it. Where my bird is Get your wings. It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the jungle to you. Bam!
Beating like it's heartbeat, playing rhythms we grow to.
It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the place where we live. That's where we live.
Nice hat.
I know
Ooh, that's it. You know what? I think all of you are more than qualified to dance at the festival. Sensational. Now, let's celebrate.
Summer Festival, here we come. This is awesome.
My one and only Congratulations on making the cut. You rock.
Give yourselves a big round of applause.
This is gonna be the best summer festival ever.
We should really take their card, email, Twitter, crypto face. But first, we want to be all of you.
Yes, let's take some pictures with our new summer festival friends.
But I violate villainous, vicious, and malicious. Who would want to take a picture with me?
All right, friends, don't go anywhere.
Thank you so much for watching The Sounds of Rio. Now, if you'd like to have photos with your family and friends, why don't we get organized